Hey guys, today we're going to learn on how to delete Snapchat account, and all we have to do is to launch our Snapchat application. And from here, I'm going to tap on my profile, then I'm going to tap on settings icon, and then I'm going to scroll down until I see I need help, which is here at the support. Going to tap on it. From here, we're going to tap on the search bar, and then we're going to tap on delete our account. From there, here at the delete or delete your Snapchat account on Android or the web, we're going to tap on Snapchat account or portal. And then from there, I'm going to input my password. Then I'm going to tap on delete account. From there, our account is going to be deactivated in the next 30 days. And if we haven't reactivated our account before those 30 days, our account is going to be deleted. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video.